Hi guys, welcome to my channel. It's soup season, so I'm gonna share with you 2 lentil soup recipes that you can make with ingredients that you probably already have in your pantry and in your fridge. So let's get started. So for today's lentil recipe, we're using red lentils. These are the lentils. And we're using short grain rice. Short grain white rice, and you're gonna need an onion, and these are the only ingredients that you need. For the seasoning, I'm using salt, cumin, and Aleppo pepper, and that's it. That's all you need to make this delicious recipe. So you need 1 cup of red lentils and 1/4 cup of white rice. You can obviously measure it in regular cups. I'm just making a bigger batch. So it's just the ratio is 1 cup of red lentils to 1/4 cup of rice and an onion, and that's it. You also need about a tablespoon of butter. I totally forgot. I'm adding the washed lentils and rice to my Dutch oven. Now I'm adding 11 cups of water, and then I'm gonna bring it to a boil. I'm removing the white foam that's forming on top. Now that it's boiling, I'm gonna add the onion and my seasonings, which is salt, Aleppo pepper, and cumin. Also, I'm gonna add the 1 tablespoon of butter. I'm gonna cover it, put the heat to low, and let it simmer for about 25 minutes. After 25 minutes, this is how it looks, and it's ready to be served. I usually remove the onion, but you can keep it in there and eat it if you want. Here's my plate of food. I toasted some pita bread in the oven to go along with it, but you can have this on its own or with some pita chips. For today's lentil soup recipe, we're using a cup of green lentils, about 14 ounces of small shell pasta, the smallest you can find, about 5 cloves of garlic, a couple of tablespoons of tomato paste, a lemon. My lemon is really small, so I don't know if I'm gonna need another one, but usually a normal sized lemon. And then you need olive oil and dried mint. For the seasonings, I'm using salt, pepper, and Aleppo pepper. To my pot, I'm adding the washed lentils. Now I'm adding about 20 cups of water. I'm gonna bring it to a boil. Now that it's boiling, I'm gonna cover it halfway, turn the heat to low, and cook it for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, I'm gonna add the shell pasta and bring it to a boil. Now I'm adding the seasoning, which is salt, pepper, and Aleppo pepper. I'm also gonna add the minced garlic and the tablespoon of tomato paste. I'm adding the juice of 1 lemon. At the same time, I added some olive oil in the pan and I'm gonna heat it up, and then I'm gonna add the dried mint and heat it up together for about a couple of minutes. Just make sure that nothing is burnt, so you just need 2 minutes. After the 2 minutes, you just want to add it to the pot. I thought I had my camera on, but I didn't. Just add it carefully and slowly, and then cover it, bring the heat to low, and cook it for an additional 25 minutes. And this is how it looks, and it's ready to be served. Here's my plate of food, and both of these soups are so filling, flavorful, and delicious. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe so you won't miss the next one. Bye!